Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And like. This is Ayden's first Junior 1 race. We didn't really have his kart set up for this race. We just bolted some weight on, changed the gears, and went to see what would happen. We started in 5th. Ayden does a good job here in turns 1 and 2.
I passed Sebastian and I got into 3rd because I passed number 22 too.
On the first lap, we're already in 3rd. You should note we wrecked our kart really hard in the first heat race. There's no GoPro footage from today. This is just what we have from that.
And then Sebastian spun out, and then he spun out again, and then I hit the brake so hard I spun myself out.
He spun out too.
And then Sebastian hit the grass too, and then I ran off and hit the grass.
Wow, look at that hit, dude. Were you okay from that? You good?
One side's lower, one side's high.
We bent the whole front bracket of your kart right there. We bent that front bumper as well, the black piece that we didn't point to. We found out later that it was broken. We broke the body everywhere it mounts. We had to get that re-fiberglassed. We want to thank Mr. Matt from Glenn's Auto and Tire who fixed that for us. That was very nice of him. We appreciate that, Matt. We do have a new body we're going to put on, but we're going to run this body for a few races so we don't tear it up in the new class. You can see how bad that was warped and bent there. Here in a second, little man's going to be holding the bracket. That was your bracket, buddy. What do you think about that? That's bent pretty bad, huh?
Yeah.
Did you have fun today, though?
Yes.
You ready to have some more fun in Junior 1 next year?
Yes.
Well, don't forget to come back, like and subscribe our channel, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.